Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla. Oh my god. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I literally just woke up and I laid in bed for a while and now it's 11 in the morning, okay? I'm not an early riser, okay? I go to bed late, I wake up late. Yeah. I'm in my kitchen right now because I just fed my cat. I went to go feed him, I grabbed my camera, threw my wig on because I was not about to show you what's going on underneath here because we're not, But I need to go brush my teeth, I need to go officially get ready, so I'm gonna take you through the process of my actual morning routine, what I do to get ready. So let's go. Okay, this is gonna be a bit of a weird angle because my bathroom is so freaking small. I swear our guest bathroom is bigger than our master bathroom. If you haven't seen my apartment tour, go check it out, it's down below. The master bathroom, because this is where I have all my boyfriend keeps his in the guest bathroom. We used to share this bathroom and then he was like, I'm gonna start using the guest bathroom because I take up a lot of space. So I typically will start off by brushing my teeth. I use this toothbrush that Vanity Planet sent me. It is amazing. I've been using it for a week and a half now. Girl, when I tell you my teeth are clean, it's freaking clean. And also, it has this whitening setting. You can't see it unless I turn it on. It has a clean, a soft, a whiten, and a massage setting, and what I'll do once a week is I'll use the whiten setting. I used it once last week and girl, my teeth have been white. I noticed in my videos, so I feel like when I'm just smiling in general, I'm well, I guess they're whiter. I can't really tell, but when I was editing my videos, it's dude, my teeth are a lot whiter than what they were. This toothbrush is amazing because my teeth were really clean when I use it. It also whitens my teeth, which is awesome. I really like that. I will have a link down below so you guys can go check out this toothbrush if you want to get it. Honestly, pretty much brushed in the same way I would with a regular toothbrush, and my teeth felt very clean. It felt like it really got in between my teeth. Mind you, I still go on my water pick. I have a water pick because I have permanent retainers. It's like an electrical flosser, I guess you would say. If you guys have retainers or braces, you know what I mean about the fact that I hate flossing my teeth because you have to get those special things and then needle it through your teeth and then pick up the floss and then put the floss in and then take it out and then re-needle it. It's stupid. I don't like it. Therefore, I use a water pick because the water pick is now my flosser. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. I put some toothpaste on the brush. We wet it a little bit. Now that I've done that, I've gone in with the water pick. I'm gonna go ahead. I didn't show you guys because I have to literally be bent over the sink when I do the water pick. It can't go that far. But I'm going to do mouthwash and I use Crest Scope. Honestly, it's not my favorite. My favorite is the Listerine. You guys can get your hands on Listerine. It's awesome. It makes your breath feel 10 times fresher than Crest does. I don't know why my aunt uses it, but there was a time when I was couponing. Couponing is very difficult, and they had buy one, get one, whatever, I don't know. I was able to get a scope for free and the other one for $3 or something. So I have two, therefore I have to finish this one before I can go get my Listerine. Okay, so normally I apply deodorant when I get dressed because I don't like to have the deodorant stains all over my shirt. What I use is the Secret. This one is the Fresh Free. I get random ones that smell good. The next one that I have, because I have another one, is the vanilla one. That one smells really good. So what I like to do in the morning is I'll go in. It's not an extensive skincare routine. I literally wet my face and I'll apply some moisturizer. I use my Philosophy Hope in a Jar water cream. This is so good. It literally gives you glass skin. If you want that glass skin look, this is gonna be your best friend. What wetting my face does is it just wakes me up, honestly. So I'll grab that amount. The reason why I don't do a extensive morning skincare routine like I used to is because I started watching Dr. Lee. There's another dermatologist that also did her skincare routine, and they both said that if you do a good skincare routine at night, there's no reason why you should be doing a skincare routine in the morning. Maybe just adding little extras as far as SPF, which I will put on in a bit. But it made sense because it's dude, you do all this crazy stuff at night and then you wake up 8 hours later and you just wash it off. It makes no sense. And I'm yeah, this makes sense. So I stopped doing a morning skincare routine and I just added on what I needed. If my face was dry, it'll be plump or whatever. I need to add to my face to go about the day. I do that. So I just put moisturizer. I honestly try to do a minimal amount even with my nighttime routine because I break out very easily in hives with certain things now, so I have to be very careful with what I put on my face. So as long as it's not breaking me out and it's helping with my acne scarring, I use it, but I don't do an extensive routine. Another thing I'll do in the morning is I'll go with my Mario Badescu, my lip balm. You guys know that this is my favorite. I put this on at night and in the morning after I brush my teeth. Now that we are glowing, what we're gonna do is go to my beauty room and get officially ready for the day. Yes, bitch, let's go. Okay, so I changed out of my shirt. We are ready to go. So I start off with my CeraVe moisturizing lotion. You guys know, if you haven't seen my last video, I've been using this. It is a morning moisturizing lotion. It has SPF in it. That is why I use it. I meant to use, like, buy this and use this as my morning moisturizer, like without anything else, but I don't feel like it moisturizes my face enough. It's kind of just like a sunscreen. I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way. This is my absolute favorite foundation. If you guys have not been following me for a while or you're new here, hi, I love the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm gonna use my Smashbox primer oil. I'm not that kind of girl that can do like a minimal makeup. Like, there's either 0 or 100. There's no in between. That's the kind of girl I am. We are just taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and we are going to start applying this. I'm gonna go with some concealer. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Sand, if anybody's wondering. I'm just gonna take a little bit. Next is powder. You already know, Laura Mercier for the under eyes, Maybelline Fit Me for the rest of my face. Gonna quickly dust off the excess. And I'm going to bronze with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Next, I'm going in with some blush from MAC. It is called Pinch Me. I'm going to go in with some subtle highlight. My favorite for subtle is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Soft and Gentle. It is so beautiful. I'm taking some Soft and Gentle on a smaller brush, like an eyeshadow brush, applying that in the inner corner. A little on the lid. We'll do the brow bone right now, but I need to do my eyebrows. For an everyday natural eyebrow look, I use my Benefit Gimme Brow Plus. Yeah, this is in the shade 5. And I'll just take that through my brows. This really does. I just want to show you guys, because I've been talking about this, but I haven't shown anybody like what it's done. So then what I do is, like, any parts that look weird, like if my eyebrows look weird, I'll clean it up, or I'll go in with my brow pencil. So I just want you guys to see the difference that this makes. Like, oh my gosh, that's insane. I'm gonna go in with a bit of my brow pencil, which is the Precisely My Brow. So I'm gonna go in and clean up the brows. Then I'm going to take some of the Soft and Gentle, apply it on my brow bone. For eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and curl them real quick and apply some mascara. I'm gonna take this. I don't know, I've never used it. I just wanna try it. This is a shiny liquid lipstick from Buxom. This is in the shade Taupe It Off. Ooh, that's cute. She's a little light. So I'm gonna take my ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. I'm gonna finish her off with some Morphe setting mist. Are now ready to seize the day. I'm gonna go eat, plan some videos for the rest of the week because I am uploading Monday through Friday. Honestly, I've always wanted to do multiple uploads during the week. I never was able to because I'm always working 2 jobs. I'm working like crazy. I love to work. It's just in my nature. So the fact that I can put all my energy into YouTube is great. I'm looking at this as a positive. So this is my quarantine morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to join the K-Babe family because I will be uploading tomorrow, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can get notified. Also, hit that notification bell because it will let you know when a new upload goes out. So Monday through Friday, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. You better be here. I will also have a link in the description down below to the Vanity Planet toothbrush if you guys would like to check it out. Also, use my code. I will have it down below and I'll have it on the screen once again. I don't think I mentioned earlier, but if you use my code, you will get 20% off. So go check that out. Honestly, if you want a clean mouth like myself, then go check it down below. All right, I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys!